You're selling something online, or you just got hired for an easy remote job. A check arrives, and it's for more than expected. There's always a reason. The buyer's mover needs paying, the job needs supplies, there was a mix-up with the amount, so you deposit it. A day later, your bank shows the money in your account. It looks cleared. You send back the difference exactly as asked. And then, weeks later, the bank calls, the check was counterfeit. They take back every dollar, including the money you already sent to a stranger. The scammer is gone, and the debt is yours. This is the fake check scam, and it works because of one banking rule almost nobody understands. Here's exactly how it runs, and the one sentence that stops it. A fake check scam is different from almost every other scam because the money seems to arrive first. Someone sends you a check, you deposit it, and your bank makes the funds available. But available is not the same as cleared. By law, banks have to release deposited funds within a day or two. Verifying the check can take weeks. Until then, that balance is a provisional credit, effectively a short-term loan from your bank. If the check turns out to be fake, they take it back. Here's the playbook. Step 1, the setup. A stranger has a believable reason to pay you. They're buying the item you listed. They're hiring you as a personal assistant or a mystery shopper. You've won a prize, you're renting out a room. Step 2, the overpayment. The check arrives and it's for more than the agreed amount. There's always a story. They're stuck overseas, the movers need paying, you need to cover taxes and fees or buy supplies for the job. Step 3, the deposit. You deposit the check. Under federal rules, the first $275 is available the next business day, and most checks are fully available by the second. Your balance updates. Your bank may even use the word cleared. Step 4, the return. You send back the difference, and always in a form that can't be reversed. A wire transfer, gift cards, crypto, or a payment app. Step 5, the reversal. Days or weeks later, the bank the check was drawn on identifies it as counterfeit. Your bank reverses the credit and pulls the money out of your account. The scammer's money never existed. Yours did. And now you owe the bank every dollar you sent. And these checks are convincing. With a scanner and a good printer, a criminal can produce a cashier's check, a certified check, even one with a realistic watermark and a real bank's name. Bank employees get fooled too. This works for 3 reasons. First, one misunderstood word, cleared. A balance in your account feels like proof and almost nobody knows it's provisional. Second, it inverts your instincts. Every scam you've been warned about asks you for money. This one gives you money first, so it never feels like a scam until it's over. And third, the loss doesn't stop at the money. Victims can end up with a negative balance, a closed account, and a damaged banking record. Some are unknowingly used as money mules, forwarding checks or funds for criminals, which creates legal exposure on top of everything else. So here's the rule that stops all of it. Never send money back from a check you deposited. Not part of it, not any of it, no matter how good the reason sounds. And remember the sentence behind the rule, funds being available does not mean the check is good. A legitimate payment never requires you to return a piece of it. A few more red flags. The check is for more than you agreed, that alone is the scam, almost every time. You're asked to send part of it back by wire, gift card, crypto, or a payment app. There's urgency. It has to be today. A job pays you before you've done any work or asks you to buy supplies or gift cards. You've never met the payer in person. Or you've won a prize that requires you to cover taxes or fees first. To protect yourself, never accept a check for more than the agreed amount, end the conversation there. If you do deposit a check from someone you don't know, ask your bank a specific question. Not are the funds available, but has this check finally cleared, and can it still be returned unpaid? Then wait, weeks if necessary, before you spend or send anything. When you're selling something, meet locally and use a payment method you control. And never buy gift cards or wire money on behalf of someone who just paid you. If it's already happened, contact your bank immediately and tell them you deposited a check you believe is counterfeit. Stop all contact with the sender. Keep the check, the envelope, and every message. Then report it to the FTC at reportfraud.ftc.gov and the FBI at ic3.gov. The fake check scam survives on a single misunderstanding. That money showing up in your account means the money is yours. It doesn't, not until the check truly clears, and that can take weeks. So the next time someone pays you too much and asks for part of it back, you already know what that is. They aren't overpaying you. They're buying your real money with a piece of paper. If this could save someone you know a few $1,000s, share it. And subscribe, a new scam broken down every week.